Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to duplicate recording in voice memos on Mac. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. The Voice Memos app on your Mac is simple and easy to use tool that can help you capture your voice and ideas wherever you are. With the excellent built-in microphone, Macs are great for recording voice memos even in noisy environments. So how? If you want to duplicate voice recording and voice memos on your Mac, it's so simple. So first of all, we have to open our voice memos. Now you can just choose on the voice or the recording that you want to duplicate. For the example, I will choose this one. Now you can just click right on the recording and you'll find there is an option duplicate. You can just click on that. So now you have duplicate this voice recording. This is the original one and it's the copy one. So simple, right? So that is how to duplicate recording and voice memos on Mac. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.